Mbaringol ala barka bake ala like sol na la comment sol nka over appreciate le comme nka ke nyami non drom no yo stalom programme lo mi yalon ko nga walanne pour na stale bari be daminto sta jamal le be jamin yalon ko o mol nyanta ke lonne ana mo jamal be jeli mi yalon ko ke yakamol lale o mo jarta daminto biral dindiya taymo fo bi abe daminto a jartale etialong jiberla so kana jang among kolia coming nka fo nyame non drom ala sa fe comment box o kono alafta momo ina jan drom ndo fanam ban nakata ko kelale foka jeko ka natna na nyim platform oto wa drone natina na nyim programme o walang so wo be sabu kola mbal konton na koteke ka fale ko like sol nin comment sol nka over appreciate le bari bi mfutata damento atole mol futande je bidum ngam mole sotale jang ngal na ko ni programme walanta fa banta alfamo balana ko toja ngam min safe pourale na tonya lo nganyanta kanale bara tonya lo fana mo nyim programme fana keta programme nyontangoldi kadun ka fale no nyame non tron programme ana la nyalon programme a fananka no yosta ka busle aka samba another level le so wobe kola mbal tentula mbal jayla ka fale ko nyum programme atletam mbe kon don na bake Mr Omar ka fale ko ate mun na boss leti so bidum programme na la ja keta nyaawo nyaatu rek al yalom bari biyo gay bi ninna boss le famo be jenjun kan na boss mo kende ba honestly speaking ngal ko ni programme bo wala na dawda ndol fanam be famol sutole mi yalon ko mba falala ko dole bari ati multi mi yalon ko mo kende balon mo mi ya fanjinde bake e kanyina fodron mo ni e famo jinde fomol senyika so drone be je mbe konton na bake ka fe ko kontanta bake le bi ni sotono nyo sta nyamin kontanta bake le inena mo le nyo konton
barka bake Mr Mbay nge konton ini la cameraman woni ka fay ko welcome fana aketa nya kontane ku bati ka apia ila nyin platform mo mi yalon ko len noyo stati ila fanan ka foye ko do ko be minna mol nya balale aketa nya fanan sewo ku ba fananti ka chance to pour nga future la nyin very good show mi yalon ko is noyo star andung ngamira fanan fenga fami yalon ko mba fala yang abekela fenga mi yalon ko ase mol nafa ala de maro kama momo mi yalon ko be interview la moy kan sey nafa fanan ise ku mi yalon ko demandin dem defana na kulto so mbol dani kam fanan ala
thank you so very much mbari ngol coming ala moy nyame non drom ndol fanan kontanta bakere bi ka soto bari mol mi yalon ko ila makamol be kam bakele ke soto ila platform to aka betia bakele mol mi yalon ko etela karambongo ala bunda be to lesson ko to ke soto nanyin platform to aka dianto le bakele bari atem molti mi yalon ko to be honest ame batale ko bin nay nyolon but smile odron jelodron anda ko ngoba faringa tap stay tuned ite mi banjibe kan kanata adula to de subscribe ni man subscribe because of ninga fama fen dundi e follow sa jeno because nim programme o bakela programme nyon tawolde inshallah rabbi mon hakilo blandi e to lani konton
handi to mo Omar lati konton mo jaajo lati
Omar jaajo ni ba mol fana hakilo blandi la Omar a jarta school jumal leto nata school on ten majliso ata ko e jata majliso to bang fo jata school on leto wol fanan tandimola
nguluta talendinne talendin ga talendin kunjang arun talendin wartale talendin bantaba bije sikab bije kunjam bije talendin wartal bu fo zone aussi fa ante wuluta talendinne kunjang mum muslim molti nganna school o beke nga commencé telendinde ka commencé nafa nursery school kabir mbota woto ntata Talinding primary school, then upper basic school nga beke Talinding ne, then proceed tata St. Augustine's High School. So ntela na wuluo be na upbringing everything nga beke Talinding ne. Ndemun Talinding quality, dead and dead.
That's very good. Hello, program for them to cannot bring primary school from primary to junior, from junior to senior. Ila primary level. Hello, student akala gango sotole. Fo gango sotole mi alon ko ini karal no.
Antenak nketa mo mi alon ko mo derum bala mo sumiyare mba andungalon Talinding kol kasiyaje bak. Ndongol bela cool kela, and it's a very chaotic community. So ala natante mako ifanang mata nketa momi ya lonko nsumi ata non kabrindinding. So mantara non gangoto. The only gang or ndafalo non gang fala mbare mba fala a team wala footballo because footballo wakran problemoti. Football wolentela live to know lafta football bake so wolente ni manta school me filot hani mbe so ko no fam be nyin kata bendo la be potol kick la be borim na so football o ketanye ku miya lonko ngawo lafita la bake kabrimbe grow up kam Talinding bare kata gang ning gang hani mang okay dende ya fanante te bayla kata ning programme to fural o tamo ngatal o programme to barante buka fam buka meje parce que alena da ke o manken tela kuti dol fan ka foko ha fo ning a normal tel ba correct tel ba yaron mo fanan ni alay da nyame alay da nyame so nte manke mom yalla nga fana ka funti baki pre mbuka hanyu num fanan so ndeyta nun ne sumi yanta nun ni manta skulo to mbe suwo kono o mbe filoto andum jele ko fanan ka dianya baki nying comedy call so ngata mol mi yalla lonko e ka foni call fo nka jele so abor nyama.
Thank you so very much. That primary level, some of your classmates, is he remember still now?
Primary school. Nka dol remember no. Umar Kamara Bije Usman, Kamara Cherno Jallo Nyol, Ibije, Aning Lamin Fati, Burama Gazama, because Kabiri Mentafango, Dol Bije Nka Nyomwele through WhatsApp, andung mbebe nun Talinding ne fonke bayata Talinding nag woleng advantage parce que ntol min katara konyo kanje o ma fankileng ntol le kata school nyola from primary school to even upper basic school so wo kono fona traje bake so nga gar dul bi yende san iman trajang dul bi ye nyim bagbi silo leta alnati inio taji so but then I can remember vividly remember most of them they will be thanks to social media ni ka ñomoy anung ka kacha to remember those days it's all lively and Inseni Bah who afanang he's doing so well I think he's now a lawyer afanang mung ma kendolti growing up primary school.
How about some teachers yal teach
primary school? Primary school Mrs. Biai fanam bije ade ngare mo bake ani Mr. Tamba Mr. Tamba aning Mr. Abdullah Bojang but he was the Speaker of the National Assembly. Alma ale yam fala afanang later afanang bantale ati I can remember him and the name budi because kelol ketanun je so wo keloñing aban kente fangoti nakaf ñoma dole modlamin jiba modlamin tolem so aning na colleague do fanan kelta ka fay ko Ramatulaay Cissé so yalla muso ning kelo so anata muso nyum barama so wo somo yemol kumandi nang okay, those who were the witnesses, Jumali Mabeta, Fenko Nina, incident Nina, Yentedo Fanam Foye. So he did not care who beat Mia start, no. Everybody Mia Lonko was part or witnessed the event. You have to take your. So I am all that was a serious beating, Mr. Bojang. But then there was a time from covering Nkeba and graduate, Nenanga, remain wala, Jelta Nova, Jelta New. So at those are the teachers Milia Lonko, I can remember them, and Mr. Mendy, Fanamung teacher Ken Doltino. Afanang hadar tabak, buka cahanta. I can remember all those teachers at primary school.
All on to jadi. Bari ngol ko binka faale nyam non bimbale no yo stale koteke binu ngamin natale ko binka faale nyam non stay tuned e kana tambi nyim programme wala nata ko sanne amuta ku yesi yajibe faybang cause londe ko jamal be ko discourse la janne inshallah rabbi so wolo kemurun lan kuma nan Omar tumale la parents olde
ha mfama to mo modulati mbama to nyanya sane be balurine ha wolen tala parents olde.
Okay, how is the relationship between you and la parents olde
ha mbama du yalonde. That's an interesting question because until a parents will malo fongol bije demanding especially nim bama tiama mfama ni wole danaka ka cha bake dan bama ti there is this fenko ngamin sort of demanding tenate parce que comme nga fo nyameng nte mun dindingol mi ya lonko parce que nena tara sokono so na uncle yang visit wama mefang so then mbama has the chance ka explain na uncle ye nte mun nun dindin sifa nyaadilati so ngare ma ka fay ko talindin nala talindi nya be mo nena man na sokono ko Omar la complaino dinna mo nena man na sokono ka fo Omar la nyin kenye Omar la nyin ta. So mbama ni mo fonte but kabre no uncle nata fa yalo in a normal thing ko mama ba but malo ni so even nimbe jam kon telephone to you can feel ne malo bin na tima bake jama faran kaminke nasisa so la ka wolle kinan kan aga fanyo ko Allah ko roki ala fay insolta nyina la nyin jama wala nyanda kara janne nase mol samano je ngata so na bang nasi so ka mokle ga fa ko atolu ngai atolu but not that ate because ate guy is that lively person so ntenate dalta bakila
comme ni ba haymala yalon ni programme do yalon ko ni kale among them who is your best friend?
My mom, because even though I am much closer to dad, but mama, because there's a reason why I'm malo beketa. Because there was a time call jazz with the back family, and bata keta num back, and then ngamera wo, contributed because I remember. There was a time because of the conditions at home. So when I look around, I feel bad. Time I grow up, tele GB. Ikata sarahule kordadul be tele ninje. I'll be kata all to tele GB la. Sometimes I'll buy. Sometimes I'll say into kanan. So growing up, I always have this in my mind because so now but mama I can't cross it back. I can't cross it that this is an ambitious kid. Mia lonko jama nimbe hanimbe domoro la fang mbe kumbola so ikanyin ga ite kamune kumbo what are you because coming je swol kono and then coming je mbama ya
exactly yeah
sometimes ikara banta ye tuloning you know subo domo ye enana ye nyankatongo you know albebe siri nyankata but they are happy but ntemi alon ko ntekada na friends all ya then I feel like why should we eat this you know what is making us eat one maybe one meal or 2 meals a day whilst others are eating 3 meals dolbe sima dolbe kontona dolbe da samala dolbe da samala o nte da samala be kontona so sifal you know wakang think back so isaje nina mero commence ka encourage wakang kumbondi back so aka fanyo ko fang inte I will stop talking to you because you know ntenga lo netumo mo sifanya deleti you know but if there is any I don't think there's any best in fact you know I don't see you know even sisters from we are like that na sister it will can tonyele you know it can I think that is my weakness I don't know I am very shy you know I am very shy especially in the family so the sisters it often understand it because instead the mal and ding kewoti family kono so na ndoko nyol be mon sister lati you know so it all can tonye the most of the times you know you can come like to create fun to say look at you know yalo mosifa but they are all my best friends they are all my best people I love my family so much
thank you so very much you know wala fambo mol natila ko question auto in life yalong sometimes comme ya fa nyameng ak kolia bakele you know fo ku yele mi yalong ko ni Omar ye mirala ni sign you know pour kala tiesol control ak kolia le fo wosototal
a jama la biye but yalong life bolo nyama life bolo nyama and because ntol wulutale nga tara na pierun sol mang korra soto you faye you know sometimes you even hear different stories the korra soto le but nyine abusi bulu so ntol mang that authority soto to reclaim what was lost you know by them nyine ata ni alkalo ya abusa bulu so ndofana that mang educated fanangan so ata fanang mung among ke go mo si falti so there was an incident me alonko I think I was going to primary school so menon dameng sama je tinya so kabarin sama je tinya then my dad when we whilst ntolbe call ke ka jibe I was young very young then but I can still remember you know not very very young but I was young and I remember you know so na dad funtita mom ala tara damen so ala tara damen atara ka bungo la nyini mi bungo dula mi alonko we can just maybe you know crush by and nga laje for quality sonia so ko ana da ko nyoko ako mole ko ko albaga so that is just building among complete building for you know just mole a loje and then bunda soto and then korojotul biji and so you just have to take your illustrator or somebody you know so kabrin tata woto unfortunately ntemang because I was growing up ke di musol fanan ne biji so ntemam place soto pour la dulal then I have to find a place to sleep so funnily because ndende na manyum fo dulato nganna the following day nyanta kra school le nganna mbuso sigare ma dos bo dalasi mbusol mbuso fi mal
exactly yeah
nga wala ta ngana informo ko je ngana tut pes ko je ngana samotol ko je braytol malong so ngawol ci ka ngabi ko gale ko ka funtel kata kafunyo malia so ntata monukang then talending Manokang then boys loka CJ nka kampe jele so nga bole traje be kampe be jele ram tenara on sita I was part of the so on sita yalong suto ma fande so mol be ka say kite ya then I started getting so much worried so nte vitamin tole you know because bo ende karan la so ko la sa kara school la so ndo be siring so the last person ni ka fa e modu boy nka ko boy binte ben la tole ya awnyo ko okay ngata you know so ntata je but that night I couldn't sleep that was one of the longest nights I had in my life. So Kabring Namiro and call because Ate she felt it. She knew something was not right with me. But she insisted that I should go back and sleep, even though me plaso create laji among the sisters nganla. But no. Nde I'm okay. I just make her believe ne. Ben la kan na friend dole. Ate fango yolon ne. So I'm okay. Then it was not okay. So entire je, but it was tough because Carol from Seattle was so come back. So I just have to throw one mattress on the ground. Then just for a wrong. Then got out of school. So I did not even end up going back home the following day because whilst Benunje, I was thinking where to go next. Ben Lakanji. Before I get used to the house, you know, I get used to the house. But the toughest of days is when the woman, I am commanding. You have to leave this house. Because I was getting used to and then I get used to the sons, you know. I was very good with them. So I am commanding Akonyako until special. So you know you have to leave. Okay. You know. And it was a crazy day because boys from woman day, they were all crying. You know, they couldn't understand. You know, so that's the day and the same buzoni. Nga ta ko renke. So Saita, I didn't tell my mom anything or dad anything. So those are the few moments million long call. Sometimes I sit here and recall them and you know feel crazy about it. But obeying life like that.
Exactly.
You know, wo alale observe aning ku Jamal Keta Chilokan. You know, from West Coast Radio, Ibuka Pause, I want a press card, staff card, because Buka Pause on Purkata. So Nkawale, there was a shopkeeper, Alpha. Nkata nkana fenko landi nkapa kunka taileji ngakona press card offer amutanye so $10 so dinao 15 so ngo so anytime nin chapter wrong ngaw koro samba ID na staff ID dinna, you know. So a lot of things that happened along the way, but alhamdulillah.
Thank you so very much. Mbadingol coming kal hakilo bulandi ko teke rek be noyo stalto nyindum kulleti mi yalanko ite be besiri elafte yaka ko nyin ya jala tambita milla so ko abuka jeke rek ay happen fengo fen country aka commence nin kilinel ay ta familia sa bolle nyam so mbije namara to cut it short namara na nyenta kami fo nyinen ka yewo jabi nyinen karo kono le that's very good, you know. For Omar during our school days leng adventure coming club to press club wo sifal for, you know, what time on leng adventure kono bang for
in journalism Yalo kabrim bin grade 9. That was the teacher, Mr. Saidi. Jamaja akakele before you sit your grade 9 exams. Ikalnyinin kale nal graduate alafta kala moneti. So I remember it was few of us, Milia Lonko, Ntolengamblo Chikanding ko, lafta kala journalist already. So umeta kelambule. Because the reason why there were a lot of stars in Talending. Talending ya belo sotono. But over time was stars be more bouquet for. So at that age, all those things were coming into my mind. Because you go to Bakau, then they were talking about their stars. Banjul were talking about their stars. But Talending, we have many teams there. So mol buka wala ko mol fo andu nawetanol fo ka traje mol buka report. So nteko ndelafta kala wolti na brodal mi yalo be football ke kan Talending nga gal ci kandi so kabringo keta ngam bro ci kandi kontelta ka journalist wolti. So that's the belief I went straight to high school St. Augustine. So kabrim bije mfutaraje press club ngamin teranunje fatanunne. So until nata, I remember Talib Jabang, Mfalli Fadera, Ansumana Eso Nyasi, Mulai Makalo, and in wall, it only press crop owning nati cotton. So press crop owning, Kaminke, every Friday, Nintara, Ninseta, I have Omar, okay, so Omar. Iteta dar dulakali nim football buje ya safe ya kamana nyeta jang so nim nata monde bobi ye report safe yellow assembly nyato ya read so we mol makoy back we mol makoy back kamol exposed to a lot of these press activities and ye report fanan safe there is a board in the middle of the school so student kata je fanan ka news read about the school Boneketa B, Yemuna Safe B, anything long or everything long about St. Augustine's, you get our board read. So when the administration also wants to convey a message, ning student diamla or they want to communicate to them, they come through us. So we write and then it's down to the students. So that's how until we get exposed to these press activities. So from grade 12 there's no waste of time. I went straight to West Coast Radio.
That's good. So Iba West Coast alnako constraint sol nata kala press card hota kala ndipiti ko pasi ko hol be ko soto nonu West Coast itself omare man sodoje West Coast
I ended dale because now man ke fenti fang the platform given to me more million long or more million tomay is thanks to West Coast Radio because place mia lonko place nsa foko dara lemu West Coast mung dara balem mia lonko kundangol le dan benta woto so ni man loku dron it is sign na so ntollo jamano natra imanke fenti natra iman loku iman bambang iman smart iman pare iteta because ka chance di la fang pour ye diamu on air was difficult ntol nga 6 months ke jele mo mic di mon la katalen kanang at some point mpama ka funyo ko breti ngama yebe ken yare ma ikata kana ibuka hani fenke ye school bang imam fenke ibuka fenke kamalan suokor ntol nga karab ngo joy ntol nga beke nyimbula ingene ka nyimbula le kay ko lafta nyela so ali mako do nga nyinke sometimes it's difficult because galbuka understand sometimes I dole ya ako nyinin ka journalist school okay ko journalist school tiye okay journalist ya ni mo ndi nga bunni so that was difficult
exactly
so that night he came a lot of anger from nowhere about that no ingenta nyim blonal because ntol mang school joy pour eta ni journalist yalla ni kuritiye ni but later nga explain especially the day I in lamuy radio to mol ka commandi ka fa ko idingo nga moy ay ne kay abla that's the time I am bula sign ngan na call ke but West Coast in short ay platform mo dindale pour ngam fan deda ngam fan londi Gambian media to West Coast wala dinna
shortly now from West Coast Omar traveled okay tanyadli
how long West Coast was tough kudul bi je fanang nta falano camera to
exactly
nata ntedam malem I don't mind saying it but ku jamal keta woto ku jamam ya lonko anyanta kala kule ku jamam ya lonko atambita je atambita nyamen amanya na kala wanyam andung ningo fo dolu bije ise fanjeno safuko nyindingo mang finki so man la fi wala but tol ngamin lanje wala in every journey there must be challenges. Alright, so nteka would believe lesoto. So mbuka conclude, okay, mad le nyin lankang mad mam betia or nyin lanka nyin mam betia. No, I believe everybody or everyone is a good person. Experience like atara al damangol game. So kabari menunje, I have an ambition. I made it clear to myself because every year I have not phone call it. Dengan ada jonki, ngan sini na dining table so a lot of things come. Every year kind of resolution was shafile. As a sports journalist, what I want to achieve. So that was this year in 2018. I applied. No, I sat in my room to say, because that was the World Cup year in Russia.
Exactly.
So, I want to cover the World Cup. I remember coming was Africa, Nina Borobi John. Who is going to take you to Russia? I don't know, but this is what I want. So, coming out with other things, I want to develop myself. I want to, but key in my resolution list, or on my list, was the World Cup thing in Russia. So every day in Malta, I work towards it. So Kabring, I also did my part. They applied for accreditation and OCFAL. So Kabring accept. Ntara na boss ya Peter. Nga apply like approved accreditation. So I got approved to cover the World Cup. I think good. So let's see what we can do. Talk to Jibril and OCFAL. Jibril is marketing. So okay. Mbije, so there's a good brother and friend working. It's a Gambian. Then he was working with West Africa Democracy Radio. You can find Sirif Bojang Jr. So at the time, naka diamunune. Afarang akang advice back in nakari to. So nada fa ngai ko ngani na soto andung lafta nyinne kilo. Ako nyuko very good. Until fango Senegal is participating and the radio is based in Senegal. So nagal they will want to partner with you puriyeta yayin cover gali. Go okay. Then nga day set they me along ko nyana kada for Dakar and then to sign this and then come back. But I'm on for West Coast Moli. I waited for I think a week or 2 weeks later and tata murta pita anka go barenko. Ngami mfo nyadi lam say. Because time katale and I need to know my fate. Ako nyoko Omar, yalong Gambia man tara, Gambia man tara ji sign so sponsorship for un problem multi ni gako. Okay, so interrupt wallona. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Mom for the following day entire Senegal ngano goal ke nata. Nata for lungomi mita. Kata nga fa ko alay nyene nkatale. He was a bit shocked. Orang kaya ko douane then I have to go. So that's how I traveled to Russia. That
was your first travel?
That was my first high-profile travel. Before that, traveled in Senegal for other championships, swimming championships, football, is Wafu, tournament and Wasifa.
That's good. Ibo kono inata nang iprosita with West Coast Steel for?
Kabrin nata because we in karandi bake. Along nibe mecho to ikala fika progress. Andong ni alayake ibe dok wala media house auto. They have to support you. And supporting you, part of it, our key of Indola Doko is exposure. So, as a young person, even Kabrin Tara Russia Fang, I built a lot of connections. So, Kabrin Nata, that was not part of my intention, definitely to leave. But I felt like chance to sign pour grow ñun dolanto parce que dolamia lonko maybe ite sila ko nyako Omar mbe ki la jande ita o Omar nyante ke ki bantale ita nyinke ye sembentu yandi buriyata bantu ke sembentu yandi da mau chance je andung te ñun doko lafta ñun doko la baake I don't joke with it because ndeka fo moleko momente no ñun doko that's the only thing I can do in my life so ndeka wal fo so about a lot of things really along come nga fo ñame nta follow so I decided to leave in 2019 but it wo fanang nkaf ñoo mal wol because Yellow West Coast was big at that time fanang Niko West Coast blole ka fo go ite man kende ite nyama tale ikala min tole but then the Chronicle for man nano at that time but I was not happy going to work because this is the work that I want to do so nkatra do ko wala niyo bu ko tra diaring I do not have money fine to say I do not have money I think West Coast that place I encourage ku Jamal la because I couldn't go from nina big do from there siru sulaning ate na nyen kana because what time mburo bote ko domole fo ikono ka tra jare na kos so most the na nyen kana because bidu ko ning West Coast best straight ni so na nyen kana kara ay mburo sauce fulo mburo ni mbona keje taj ko nyogo hin so ngate na sulana ni ngata because I don't nente kana wol kama I don't buy it apart from mburo bota muka hani fensangi so na nyen kana rong asabu ko kana so ata mburo ayo kundu ayo sauce fulo ayo landi ko nyogo no jaru nga wasa ata so ngobe but I don't blame anybody for that war is my destiny it should be part of my journey and which way Marco Bakele to make me the person who I am today. So and I don't complain about that. But there are chances million lonko you should also be given. New man did wrong. Wodula to imang nyenteka taraje, imang nyenteka la kul kije. So moved kabren mi sante ala ya long mang hani media house killing put on my mind. I resigned because call me betamakang woman dianya and I cannot change it. So it was difficult. So on that for a few months, the Chronicle came along more need ilo doko. We had to friend landi at the top level in Gambian sports. And then I was easy to market per se. And because in Kawa for no time of Nongoli, Hani mang kontan ka fo leko. Kudo algo landi follow sa doko okay ngana doko master that anywhere we go we can walk so wala take so insira je sirif nata mi yalan ko ate fon le mako dum pour kata janat he came back home to Gambia with other investors to form the Chronicle
yes sir
so I am commanding with a very good pay you know, so that's why I also started working with them.
Okay. Working with Chronicle. Ngal na ko ita compare with West Coast. Because they paid you, good money.
Yeah.
I can understand. Coming from Mole Landron. Yalong control ka start ning killing la. And most of the time tol nka koronto bakele. Yeah, we Gambians nka koronto bakele. Mecho aka nunkule abuka no eka nunkundile. Lew comme ya fanyami. Foni tata dawda isa doko keno. So ini wala doko walanta nyadile.
Chronicle was simply the best in this country. The level of professionalism, the setup, newspaper or a media house operate wanyama nyimbankuka. Because it was standard. Because 8 o'clock because every day until meeting on Castle is because you have to come in the morning and then you meet as a team to decide what do you do during the day. And then I'll say I'll come meet le. Kajibe sama munne nyenda kana. So mat sports kamanang kewa jefang ye political kamanang ansu court news. So mobe ye hakirulane tabulo kan safoko ha nying we are going in for this. For example, even if the president is inaugurating the new road in Brikama or in Banjul, as an editorial team, Safon or no, until more interest, until mental interest, well, that farmer or that momialong kabelaring lepitan among boro soto, so was story sifal they can tell fenkeno. That's why we were simply the best, to be honest. So because management issue for another Daraje, Sheriff left, but then also I was also traveling for a bigger project. Then the intention was definitely not to resign. Sheriff also left for England, so until something came up big, me alonko can definitely change my life. I have to also left. But covering Narizanta, I had to stay to make sure there's transition. Momi alonko abinale na fane nyo makoy fire settle then I ngabla. So ngaken wala nyama ngabla they were going nice, but eventually things didn't go. And I feel so bad, to be honest, that when we left, the Chronicle died. Whoa. Because there are a lot of investment in a lot of investment. Yeah.
Olon Tonyati. Mbari ngal na ko ñu programme redda nano programme Kilinto ngal na ko insha Allah rabbi nin time sotota minala nga part 2 tanan because agente kat min befo honestly speaking ata danano programme Kilinto ngamna sign to cut it short amam me bake Gambia fon la fadnato mu sport journalist already yalon ko wala be nyim bankoto ibe ka foto nyokam yeta as their president o keteno nyadile and ka foko no ebi jele since with time
menung boka foko no le because every sports journalist you have to belong. For example, Nico itebe nyinneto ngenta ka jibela ka fo mi yalon ko wore malto ka wala ita ye bulaji. So every sports journalist is a member of the association. But then nyaton ko ya because ala yalong ma demand. I never wanted to be. I remember menun Senegal, menun Dakar le moyen call, Galian call. Kunyoko nko ngamu you call election canal for Gambia sports journalists. So lafte tel la pureta ka gonte. Ka go ngamira tol ngal mang ka gonte I don't have time for that. ka ko kebal bije le Lamin Cham ñol bije sang ñol bije modi ms ñol ka alta wol ya e ko ñeko okay mbije do fana en call nan ko tek ako ñeko ka ko but what is going on, you know? So I did not accept up to 2 weeks, you know, for 2 weeks, and then kumol fota in the canale because we believe you can do this. So you know what? Let me accept. You know, let me accept. So that's why I did not go unopposed. You know, that I accept. So it also comes with responsibilities. Amanke kumia longkoti. I am content, but I know I can do it. But for time when you find bijela porkake. But alana tamol mako nga timo fana soto timo miya lonko mo kendo lemu preta porko dokoke, and then it's easy for us to work.
Antonio Anti, because ngaje ko coming sport journalist in Benjamin Nyimbankoto, you know, what advice do you have for the young talented journalists mi alon ko be filodo?
The advice is simple. Try la filo ni master. Yalo niko imon kapintalti. Inyanta lon nale munen kapintayati. Korgeto ba kosila nyame, marro ba muntala nyame. Andong fama famia lonko abe kapintaya kono. Inyanta lon naka kenyame. Mason the same thing, electrician the same thing. So sport journalist ya fana mbewol nyama. Dandi imeduna kono o ibe ma ko mutala be peno safela. Along munem sports journalism. And in sports journalism so munem ala nyantoti. Anyanda ka lo nyamen banko kan and society kono. The other thing from Majio, yalong humility is very important because dolbije they look up to you. Anundala generation cool siata ika moje moyalo muta camera muta akatelen the best you know wayatra you know mo kilim flola ya jay doron aka ko ite mo nyondong so jam so afana ya fam muta mom ya lon ko tije so fosé fanji yerol model soto mom ya lon ko e kawlo jibe pour not to be like him or her, but ka jibe akaminke ku betola ifana yake ala doko la karola ifana yake. So journalist for a role model or soto me along ko wole ke inspire for you to do great things, you know. And the other thing fana fanse mfang fenke not to be obsessed with fame. Yalong fame fana mun ko mi along ko ni me hakilo bodron ase mantora
volontoñati
aka mo jayle. So journalist ya ila doko le nyanta ke wafi baru amanke te mi alon ko ite journalist ri ka ko ha ntela nyinti hani ila doko ke moli la doko ke isafu ise nyirin karo ke jumala nyin safe jumala nyin doko isa ise mol se nyini mol kon baru journalist mi alon ko kana ka ko ha ntela nyinti o manke fenti. So that's the advice I have for the young ones, because it's a very noble profession. And me gal panang encourage kang yata, you know, yata seriously, because sign, you know, it can change life. Okay.
Definitely. Definitely. Munele kumala bangoti.
Kubala mo be tantula imine la cameraman mbal be tantula. Alla doku nyimalo minke kang. This is amazing. Ngamira Gambia al nyanta al hakilo bla nyin la bakel andung fanang ka kairo dwa nyim banko kan ka foko fonse sabari nyoy senyo mako yi fanang suduro kamala senka nganyo muta nganyo kanu tonya kamala momo ila doku ibe minna man sakunda lembang joliso lembang ibe mintole ya lonko ye responsibility la soto responsibility nying waleng ka dogo ke not to impress anybody, not to impress the president, not to impress anybody, but you have to work for your nation with honesty, transparency. At the end of the day ntol bel taw nyim bankoti oto mbe dwala molbe mba fanan tentula for the visit. I'm content back. Hopefully we can have, like you said,
of course,
second
of course,
part and part and part and part. Was hard. Kunya be nga mare imagining ka.
Yeah, exactly.
But feel free. Okay, feel free anytime. You can just pop by and then nga call ke.
No problem. No problem. But mbadingol katu ngalo na ko amma kala wala nya part 2 binalele inshallah rabbi kal tentu kal jay ka fale ko ate yala fole momo yenta ka role model sotole ate munna role model lati honestly speaking ko jamal bi je nka copile because mo fanan comme ya fanya minu fay sa mento soto mi alon ko kala ku kendol jibe e fanan ka wolke wolka kuma bakele but partout binala inshallah rabbi so ka fale ko ali ala baraka bake. Thank you so very much bi nga ñu national ala